Hello everyone and welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. Today's video is dedicated to website creators and enthusiasts. We're taking an in-depth look at Elementor, a popular WordPress site building platform known for its user-friendly interface and extensive features, which are made even more complete by its hosting plans. This all-in-one platform is crafted to make your website creation, hosting and management as smooth as possible. If you'd like to know more about Elementor, make sure to check out our review at bestreviews.net. Now over to Raisa.
Getting started with Elementor is a breeze. From the get-go, you're greeted with a pop-up that guides you through choosing your website name, editing your first page, and connecting a domain. The provider offers an intuitive domain manager to quickly get your website up and running. If you're considering migrating your website, don't worry. Elementor migration is simple and completely free. The provider also allocates you a temporary staging domain so you can start designing as soon as you sign up. Once the domain is created, associating a webmail account is also a piece of cake, as Elementor seamlessly integrates with Gmail and Outlook. You can customize your business emails directly within the platform for a professional and streamlined setup. Plus, with 44 free add-ons, you can supercharge your site by making the most of Elementor's marketing, analytics, design, and interactivity integrations. Not to mention that its rich plugin collection, featuring up to 107 widgets, is also available for snazzying up your website. You can create engaging content with buttons, sliders, countdowns, and progress bars. Everything to keep your visitors hooked and coming back for more. Customization is also covered by Elementor, which supports custom codes and CSS. This allows users to add their personal touch so their website stands out from the crowd. While you may know Elementor as a top-notch website building platform, its WordPress hosting is just as remarkable. Elementor hosting brings together everything you need: website hosting, building and managing, as well as an array of powerful integrations. With a custom control panel and a dashboard that simplifies site management, team collaboration and subscription handling, there's no reason to keep juggling between platforms. Elementor has it all in one convenient place. Plus, with clear distinctions between Elementor-hosted sites and those hosted elsewhere, managing your web empire is easy. Elementor hosting is packed with features designed to boost your website, plus it benefits from the outstanding performance and reliability of Google Cloud servers. Not to mention that Elementor's inclusion of Cloudflare Enterprise in all its plans further optimizes loading times by distributing content across multiple servers. Along with Elementor's image optimizer, only available for business plans and up, all these measures ensure a seamless and speedy user experience. This is further boosted by the top-notch auto-scaling functionality, which guarantees your website is seamlessly scalable during peak performance periods. Elementor takes security seriously and provides daily and on-demand backups, as well as robust DDoS and botnet protection to keep your website safe from potential threats. With these, plus a firewall and brute force defense in place, you can relax knowing that your website is in good hands. With unlimited PHP workers, STFP, and database access through PHP-MyAdmin, Elementor empowers you to have advanced control over your website's backend. While SFTP access allows you to manage your files securely, database access ensures a simple interaction with your data via SQL. Meanwhile, Elementor's AI-powered tools are available from the basic plan. Handy for doing everything regarding generating text, code, and images, it's designed to increase the efficiency of creating your website with prompt assistance at your fingertips. Its plugin ecosystem is a treasure trove of goodies to take your website to the next level. From a drag-and-drop editor to designer-made template, creating a stunning online presence has never been more accessible. There's something for everyone with Elementor's 5 flexible plans: Light, Basic, Business, Grow, and Scale. Each plan is carefully crafted to meet different needs, whether you're just starting out or already have a thriving online business. But here's the kicker. No matter which plan you choose, you can access the Core Builder, which gives you all the essential tools to get your website up and running. And if you're ready to take things to the next level, upgrading to higher tier plans like Basic unlocks the Essential Pro Builder, which includes powerful features like AI capabilities. While the Lite plan offers a solid foundation at an unbeatable price, those with more advanced needs may find the higher tier plans more suitable. And the best part? You can try any plan risk-free thanks to Elementor's 30-day money-back guarantee. Plus, opting for yearly billing can knock up to 75% off monthly rates. With 24/7 customer support and live chat, email, and tickets available, Elementor ensures that help is always just a click away. Grow and Scale plans users can also get support via WhatsApp. During our testing, live chat agents proved to be helpful, responding to our queries in under 2 minutes. The service also provides a wealth of tutorials, FAQs, and guides covering everything you need to know to make the most of Elementor. And let's not forget about the active forums and social media groups of the Elementor community. Here, it's easy to share tips, tricks, and insights, and even request new features to be added.
Thanks, Haisa. Elementor is an efficient and comprehensive platform for websites of all sizes. Its Core Builder is included in all hosting plans, making website design accessible to everyone. With a straightforward setup and optimized performance for WordPress, Elementor ensures that your viewers enjoy a smooth experience. Plus, website creation and management become even more efficient and enjoyable with its intuitive interface, AI assistant, and image optimizer. But it's not all peachy, as the platform is limited to WordPress and its renewal rates for all plans are higher than the initial prices. Despite this, the overall experience with Elementor is incredibly positive, especially for beginners who need an intuitive and centralized all-in-one platform to manage their websites. If you want to learn more about Elementor, don't forget to check out our written review on bestreviews.net. See you next time.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!